I know, you hate me. Retinol, pal. But as always, it is all open to personal interpretation. If you want to check this out, I will link everything down below. 100% not a sponsored video. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're brand new. My name is Hayden, I am a group exercise instructor, and on Mondays I review skincare. Specifically because I'm an avid lover of skincare. You need to look after your skin, but more importantly in my profession I sweat for a living. And that can lead to clogged pores, etc, if you do not take care of your skin. What we're looking at today is a Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Oil. 100% not sponsored. These are all my own thoughts and opinions and how the product went for me and my skin type. Before I open this up, my skin type, I have normal skin. I know, you hate me. But I do tend to get dry in the T-zone. Funnily enough, I also do tend to get oily in the T-zone if I haven't maintained my skincare. So what is this actually supposed to do? It says that within 1 week, so I'm gonna test this over the next 7 days, starting with today. It says in 1 week it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It brightens the skin tone to deliver radiance. In 4 weeks, improves the look of stubborn and deep wrinkles, including eye and cheek wrinkles. Helps reduce pigmentation to brighten and even the skin tone. So like I said, I'm gonna give this a week and you're gonna come with me and we're gonna test it every day just to see if there's any visible results, and then we'll do a side-by-side today versus in 7 days time. So if you turn on to the back, it says it is Neutrogena, this is who made it, Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Oil. Works quickly for visible results in just 1 week. This powerful overnight treatment works throughout the night to intensely nourish and replenish dry skin for radiant, younger looking skin. Clinically proven to help. First dot point, reduce the look of stubborn and deep wrinkles. Second dot point, intensely nourish and renew the look of skin overnight. Now, clearly it is not nighttime right now, but I've got nothing else to do for the rest of the day. I've done everything that I need to do. It's currently almost 5 p.m, so it's close enough to nighttime. I'm gonna give it a go and see what my initial thoughts are. Does it feel hydrating? Is there any slip? Is it sticky, etc. Very last bit on the back of the box. It says Retinol SA, exclusive sustained action, works to continuously renew the look of skin throughout the night, helping to smooth wrinkles fast and help diminish the look of dark spots. Retinol SA is scientifically proven to be superior to other forms of vitamin A, such as pro-retinol and retinol palmitate, in its ability to provide benefits. Let's talk about directions. It says on the box, every evening apply 4 to 5 drops onto the palm of hand. Use fingertips to gently massage onto face in a circular motion. Use after cleansing and before Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream, which I will not be doing. We're just testing out this. Now you can see there's a bit of red pigmentation on my face. I just washed my face. I did a workout earlier today, so I needed to make sure that it was cleansed and toned and ready to go. Now this retails for just under 60 bucks. I got it from the chemist, from the pharmacy here in Melbourne, Australia. So it is up there in price. Neutrogena is a pretty good skincare brand. It's usually affordable. So opening the box, there is only one thing in here. It comes in 2 compartment type things, and this is what it looks like. The box actually smells really nice. So here it is. For the money that you pay, around $60, you're gonna get 1 fluid ounce or 30 mils of product. It's very weighty. It feels expensive, if that's... It's hard plastic on top, but I feel like this feels like metal. Actually, it is metal, you can hear. Or it's glass. I'm not too sure, actually. It feels like metal, but kind of sounds like glass. Anyway, we're not here for the packaging. So it comes with a dropper, and the top of the lid is where you're going to use the dropper. Now it says 4 to 5 on your palm. It smells really good. It smells kind of like roses. 5. It's not thick. It's not like a syrupy kind of texture. I feel like that wasn't enough. Definitely not enough. Massage in circular motions. Make sure it's all up in there. Okay, right, well, it is on my face. Let me come on in. I do like to do a close-up. So you can see my fine lines along here, as well as just in here. So he's hoping in 7 days' time, these will vanish. Day number 2. I don't really know if I enjoy this yet. I keep forgetting you're supposed to put it on your fingertips first. And that's because after the first application, I noticed it was super oily, which I'm not a big fan of. And honestly, I don't really feel like it's sinking in that much because like the oil, it's already gone. And I don't feel like I'm pressing stuff into my skin. It just feels like the oil absorbs into my fingers before it even gets to my face. But I'm sticking to what they asked me to do. Applied to my skin, you can see the oily shine. Luckily you put it on overnight and it absorbs. Day number 3 of my week-long use of the retinol oil by Neutrogena. If you can hear a lot of noise in the background, that's my loser neighbor constructing way past the time that they're supposed to be constructing. Now, something I did not mention, I don't believe, the last 2 times that I've used this, it's very fragranced. Like, it's very fragranced. Now, I know I mentioned it when I first tried it. When I first put it on, I said it smells like roses. But keep that in mind, it's got a lot of punch to the fragrance. I moved away from putting it on my fingertips and massaging it in and putting it directly on my face. Because like I said in last night, I think it was, doing the fingertips and then to the face, it absorbs in the hands first before it reaches your face. So keep that in mind. Day 3, I am seeing a little bit of a more smoother complexion, but not so much to be like, yep, 100%, give it a go. Day number 4, do I notice any difference? Not, or do I? Maybe a little something in here, but it's only day 4, so we still got another couple of days to go. Once again, I'm not doing this on my fingertips anymore. I'm doing directly on the skin because I feel like when you put it on your fingertips, it absorbs way too quickly. There's that fragrance once again. It is so fragranced. So fragranced. And that is strong. The only thing is I don't like the oil slip directly after application. But once it obviously absorbs into the skin in the morning, it's not that bad. Actually, I will remember to film what my skin looks like when I get up in the morning.
Well, it feels very cat fur. It feels very smooth and soft. And that noise you can hear is the fan I run at night. It feels very soft. I mean, there is a reduction here of the lines.
Final day. Still cannot get used to the scent of this. It is very strong. I'm not a huge fan of fragrance in skincare, but we're not here for that, are we? We're here for the retinol oil. It's a wrap. I'll see you for my final thought. And here we are. We have landed at the end. It has been 7 days of using the retinol oil by Neutrogena, and my complexion does look brighter. But has it ironed out or reduced the visibility of fine lines and all of that like it claimed that it would? Now, before I come on in and we have a look and we do a side by side, pros and cons. So it's easy to apply at the little dropper in the lid. The price is, it's more on the expensive side, but it's still affordable if the product works. The fragrance is extremely over the top. At first, when you get that first little whiffle or sniff of it, it's kind of okay when you get it out of the box, but after using it multiple times, it's intense, it's very strong, so keep that in mind. Even though it's a retinol oil, it is oil based. I imagine they do that to protect the retinol, to stop it from oxidizing, because oxygen doesn't go into oil that well. There is a huge slick when you first apply it, but it does absorb straight away. So don't let that deter you. So I guess they were like a blend of pros and cons. Let's come on in and see if there is any difference, and I will take the first initial footage. Now you can tell it's been a few days because I've had a haircut, and we'll do a side by side. Of course the sun decides to come out right now. Now you still can see my smile lines, they're still there. I feel like it worked better up here on my forehead. Like the crease in between my eyebrows has visibly been reduced, as well as the smile lines in the nasolabial area. But you're gonna have to let me know and be the judge of it. What do I think of the product overall? If I were to rate this out of 10, I would give it a solid 7. And that's only because I wouldn't put it any higher based on personal preference. The fragrance was a bit much for me, and the slip of the oil, even though, like I said, it does absorb straight into the skin. The directions are misleading. It tells you to put it onto your fingers first and then massage it in, but by the time it gets to your skin, it's already absorbed into your fingers. So you end up using more product than what originally you were supposed to use. But as always, it is all open to personal interpretation. If you want to check this out, I will link everything down below. 100% not a sponsored video. These are just my personal opinions based on my experience. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure you do all the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned. I will see you Friday.